This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking which 3ds Max release you have and verifying your license. This determines the correct update file. Once done, backup custom scripts, plugins, and the UI prefs so you can restore settings if needed. Make sure 3ds Max is closed and you're running with administrator privileges on Windows. That avoids permission errors during installation. Now locate the official installer or patch for your exact build and place it in an easy-to-find folder so you can run it next. You'll run the installer as administrator to ensure files can be written to program files without interruption. During setup, choose Custom Install when available. This lets you preserve existing plugins or selectively replace components, which prevents breaking production scripts. Keep an eye on the installer log or progress pane so you catch any dependency prompts or missing runtimes. If your antivirus flags the installer, temporarily pause it, just long enough to complete the right operations, then re-enable it to retain system safety. Once installation finishes, launch 3ds Max and confirm the version under Help About. Open a couple of representative scenes to validate rendering, viewport, and script behavior. If plugins were disabled during the update, re-enable or reinstall them and check compatibility notes. Make sure to reapply your UI prefs if needed. If you encounter crashes or missing features, stop using the new build, restore your backed up configs, and inspect the installer log for file or permission errors so you can correct the problem before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.